Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on Bitcoin price prediction using machine learning or deep learning. This project helps us to make the prediction on Bitcoin prices. We are inspired from the paper titled as Analysis of Bitcoin Price Prediction Using Machine Learning, which is published in the year 2023. In DHS, we are going to develop a project with two techniques, one with Jupyter Notebook and another with Flask. Jupyter Notebook is basically a backend and Flask is a frontend. This is how the Jupyter Notebook look like. In Jupyter Notebook, we will load the data, we will do the pre-processing techniques, we will train the model, we will test the model, and finally we will save the model. First, we are going with the first step, that is importing the libraries. Here we are importing all the necessary libraries. After that, we are loading the dataset. In our dataset, there are totally 1556 rows along with 7 columns. This is how our dataset look like. Now we are going to apply some pre-processing techniques. First, here we are checking some null values, if there is any null value present in our dataset or not. As you can see, there is no null value present in our dataset. Next, we are checking with the duplicated records. It is also 0. After that, these are the dataset information. Now we are converting the date into date-time format for our dataset. Next, data visualization will be done. This is how it look like. It is a bar graph, year versus count. In 2013, 248 counts are there. In 2016, 366 counts are there. It is based on year-wise. Now, month-wise records are being plotted and day-wise record size will be look like this. Next, there are 4 plots: date versus open, date versus high, date versus low, date versus close. Then here we are dropping 2 labels, that are date and market cap. After this, the data set consists of 1556 rows along with 5 columns. And this is the X head and this is the Y head. Then data is splitted into X train, Y train and X test and Y test. After that, first we are using the CLSTM model and we are building the model, and this is the model summary. After that, we will train the model with 50 epochs. This is the training of the model. And these are the predicted value of LSTM. And this is the result plot. Input closing values to LSTM predicted closing values. In result analysis, mean squared error is 0.035%, 0.035, and mean absolute error value is 0.185. Finally, we will save this model. The second algorithm we are using is support vector regressor. We will build the model. After that, these are the model prediction. And these are the graph. This is the graph of input closing value to the support vector regression predicted closing values. In result analysis part, mean squared error value is 0.045 and mean absolute error value is 0.178. Then finally we will save this model also. After that, model comparison will be done. This is the graph of the model comparison. Results model comparison. This is about the backend. This is how the front end will look like. Now we need to click on register button here. After that, we need to enter one name. We need to create one password for that. After that, we need to click on register. Then the login page will open like this. We need to enter the email ID along with the password and click on login. After that, we need to select one model. There are two models. The first one is support vector regression model. Now we have to give the open price. After that, high price, and we need to enter the low price. And we need to enter the volume value. After that, after giving all the input values, we need to click on submit button. The model is predicting the mean square error value is for metric 1 0.035 and for metric 2 0.159, and these are the input values which has been given by us. And the close value of SVR prediction is 319.71. This is about SVR model. Now we can go with CLSTM. In CLSTM also we need to give the values and submit. And these are the input values given by us, and it is predicting 210.525. This is the close value predicted by CLSTM model. This is about the front end part. In DHS Informatics, we are going to give the project at very reasonable price and help you until the last phase of the project, so that you can contact us at 9845166723 or 988669201401. We will help you in the coding explanation also and provide you the quality report. For more details, you can WhatsApp us or you can walk into office. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.